Hey, what's up everyone? It's your buddy Mark here, and today we're diving into the awesome world of televisions. Specifically, we're checking out a 4K TV that's been getting a lot of buzz. Let's be honest, upgrading your TV is always a big deal. It's an investment, right? But when you finally make that jump to a new screen, especially a bigger and better one, it feels amazing. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just love binge-watching your favorite shows, a new TV can totally transform your viewing experience. The colors pop, the details are sharper, and suddenly, you feel like you're right there in the action. And that, my friends, is the magic of technology. But with so many TVs out there, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're taking a closer look at the Samsung 65-inch class DU7200 series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. This TV packs a punch when it comes to features and affordability. So, is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Alright, let's break it down, folks. The Samsung 65-inch class DU7200 series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. Try saying that 5 times fast. Model number UN65DU7200FXZA is coming in hot at just $399.99. Yep, you heard that right. This 65-inch 4K TV won't break the bank, which is pretty awesome for the size and features you're getting. Now, you might be thinking, is this thing too good to be true? Well, that's what we're here to find out together. We're going to dive deep into the specs, the features, and what actual users are saying about this TV. We'll see if Samsung has managed to deliver a fantastic TV at an unbelievable price point, or if there are any compromises along the way. Stay tuned! Wow, this thing is massive! Seriously, 65 inches is no joke. It's like bringing the movie theater right into your home. Imagine catching the big game or the latest blockbuster on this beauty. The Samsung 65-inch DU7200 features a stunning 65-inch LED display with 4K Ultra HD resolution. For those who aren't familiar, 4K UHD means 4 times the resolution of standard HD. This means sharper images, more vibrant colors, and an overall more immersive viewing experience. Trust me, once you experience 4K, you won't want to go back. Unboxing this TV, you can see that Samsung didn't cut any corners on the design. It's sleek, it's modern, and it'll look great in any living room. But enough about the looks, let's dive into what this TV can really do. Alright, let's dive into the tech stuff. The Samsung 65-inch DU7200 is part of their Crystal UHD lineup, which means it's all about delivering stunning visuals. The Crystal processor 4K does an awesome job of upscaling lower resolution content to near 4K quality. So even if you're watching cable TV or streaming older shows, you'll still get a pretty impressive picture. And with HDR support, you'll see a wider range of colors and contrast, making everything look more lifelike. But it's not just about the picture quality. This TV is also packed with cool features. You've got your standard 3 HDMI ports, so you can hook up your gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and streaming devices without any hassle. Plus, it's got built-in Wi-Fi, so you can easily connect to the internet and start streaming your favorite shows and movies. Overall, the Samsung 65-inch DU7200 is shaping up to be a pretty solid choice in the budget-friendly 4K TV market. But how does it actually perform? Let's find out. One of the things I absolutely love about Samsung TVs is their Smart Tizen operating system. It's clean, it's intuitive, and it's super easy to use. Navigating through the menus is a breeze, and you've got access to all the popular streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and more. The remote control is also pretty slick. It's got a minimalist design with just the essential buttons, and it even has dedicated buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, and Samsung TV Plus, which is their free ad-supported streaming service. As for the design, I've got to hand it to Samsung. They've done a fantastic job of creating a TV that looks and feels premium without the hefty price tag. The bezels around the screen are super thin, which gives it a more immersive viewing experience, and the stand is sturdy and well built, so you don't have to worry about this massive TV tipping over. Alright, let's dive into what makes this TV really shine. The picture quality. I've got to tell you, the Samsung 65-inch DU7200 is pretty impressive. The Crystal UHD display brings out vibrant colors, deep blacks, and fantastic contrast. Whether you're watching HDR movies or just your favorite shows, the picture looks amazing. The upscaling feature is also a winner, making even older content look surprisingly good on this 4K screen. And let's not forget about the value for money. For just $399.99, you're getting a huge 65-inch 4K TV with HDR, smart features, and a sleek design. That's an awesome deal, no matter how you look at it. Now, no product is perfect, and the Samsung 65-inch DU7200 is no exception. While most users love the picture quality and the value, there are a few things that come up in reviews. One of the most common gripes is the sound quality. The built-in speakers are okay, but they could use a bit more punch, especially with the bass. This is pretty common with many slim TVs these days, as there's just not enough room for powerful speakers. The good news is this is an easy fix. You can easily hook up a soundbar or a dedicated sound system to the TV and get a much better audio experience. Some users have also mentioned that the remote can be a bit slow at times, and the selection of apps on the Tizen App Store isn't as big as some other platforms like Android TV or Roku TV. However, these are pretty minor issues that don't take away too much from the overall experience. So, what's the final word from everyone? Overall, the Samsung 65-inch DU7200 scores a fantastic 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 1,094 reviews. That's pretty awesome, showing that most folks are really happy with their purchase. People are loving the picture quality, the value for money, the sleek design, and the easy-to-use smart features. While there are a few minor gripes about the sound quality, the remote, and the app selection, they don't seem to be deal breakers for most people. At the end of the day, the Samsung 65-inch DU7200 really delivers on its promise of providing a fantastic 4K viewing experience at a great price. So, the big question, should you go for the Samsung 65-inch DU7200? If you're looking for a big, high-quality 4K TV without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth a look. It gives you a lot of bang for your buck, with stunning visuals, smart features, and a sleek design. But if you're a serious audiophile or you need the absolute latest and greatest in smart TV tech, you might want to check out some higher-end models. For most folks though, the Samsung 65-inch DU7200 will be more than enough to make your entertainment time awesome. And there you have it, friends. That's my take on the Samsung 65-inch class DU7200 series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.